Elgon View Estate is widely considered the most affluent and prestigious residential neighborhood in Eldoret City, Uasin County. It is known for its quiet, leafy streets and low-density zoning. The rich suburb is home to prominent figures including senior politicians, successful businessmen, religious leaders, and world-renowned Kenyan athletes. The estate is named after Mount Elgon, which can be seen from the area on clear days. It has well-maintained, smooth tarmac roads and greenery like jacaranda trees. Everybody, welcome back to another video. So on today's video we are going to tour the richest neighborhood in Eldoret City. Okay, so this neighborhood is called Elgon View. So this is the Elgon View estate, the richest neighborhood in Eldoret City. So this tarmac road comes from back there. So in my previous video we did a tour of Annex Estate. So if you go ahead there, that's Annex Estate, and then you come down this way, we are now heading to the inner Elgon View estate. So this is just the beginning. Yeah, so I think I'm so excited for this. Let's proceed and see what they have on there. I can see some beautiful houses back there already. Let me just show you my view from here. You see beautiful houses start from here. You see there are a couple more behind there. They have been hidden by trees, and right opposite here we have Greenville School. So this is now the beginning of Elgon View Estate. Okay, so that one right there is Greenville School. So we are going to proceed ahead that way. So you know, if you're on the Eldoret Nakuru highway and you want to go to Elgon View Estate, you don't have to go straight to the city center and then proceed again. So you can just use the street down there that I showed you of Nova. It's opposite Starbucks. The street that comes into Nova School. Just come straight ahead and you'll be at Elgon View Estate. That's the route I just followed right now, guys. So let's go ahead. So this is still the entrance to the estate. That's why I think it's a bit bushy, but when we go straight ahead we will find more of people's residences right ahead, and then you can see the roads are very clear. Look at this pathway that I'm going on right now, and then it's not that busy. So this is how this place looks like. I want us to proceed and go ahead where people's residences are. I can already see some good houses from here as well, but they are at the far end. Look at that. Yeah. Right, look at that house over there. Such a big one. There is this lounge that was opened not long ago. It's called the Republic Lounge. It's a really big one, guys. It's big. So we keep going, and next to it is Serrani Mall. Let's keep going so that I can show you the place from the front. So this is how the place looks like. That one there where you see it's written Kipchimat Supermarket is a mall, and then the Royal Lounge is this one here on the side. There is this very big church here. It's an Anglican church. Look at how the compound is so clean. The building is so big. Yeah. just by the roadside. Mm. 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 I want us to cross the road to this other side. I can see some beautiful houses here. So nice. Look at that. This one is a bit old, but it's still a nice house. Should we really go down that way? I don't think we should. But on this line, till halfway over there, they have nice houses. Let's go back to the highway, my people. I want to walk on the shade because it's too hot here. There's a nice, very nice shade here. Look at how clean the road is from here. And beautiful flowers. Some houses are a bit old, but they still look good. They still look nice. The fences here, these plant fences, I love them. Can you hear the dogs barking? Oh my goodness, look at this gate here. I think it's not in use because the fence is even growing over it. And it's really down there. I don't think they use it. The house right ahead. Look at that. We are still going to walk down that way, but I just wanted to show you from here. And there's another one there. Let's go. There's this street that goes inside there. Yeah. But let's proceed this way. And look at that house over there. Oh my goodness, it's so massive. There's another one I've seen on the front there. Let's go ahead that way. And then there's this street that goes in here. We will still come back here later, but first there's one beautiful house I've seen ahead there, so we have to go and check it out. This is the house I was talking about. It looks so good from my view here. I saw it from afar, and then there is more on this other side. So I think if we go ahead that way, like these houses have really been fenced with this tall. Like the plants, the flowers have grown that tall. So we won't be able to see the inside, because I can see that this plantation has gone all the way ahead. So from here I need to go back through this street again, find maybe one more street that we are going to explore, and then that will be it. So let's go back, guys, but I want to walk through the other pathway, because there is a shade there, a cool shade, compared to this other side where there's no shade. So I'll just head over there, try to find another street, and then I'll tag you guys along. Yeah, now we come back to these streets that I showed you guys a while ago. I told you that you will come and explore it after exploring the other one. So now here we are. There's a bit of activity on here. So the first house is over there, and then there is another one here. So let's go right ahead and see if there is actually anything. That's a dead end right there. This house is really nice, but you can't see the inside because it has been fenced in a way that no one from outside can check the inside, you know. I need to cross to the other side where there is this pedestrian pathway. I don't want to be squeezing myself with the cars over there. Oh my goodness. Look at the blue tent in there. Wow. And there is a lot of trees in that compound. Then there's this old house in the middle here. I really don't know what it is. It looks like a church, but I'm not sure. Yeah, and over here we have a sliding gate. Over here, the owners of these houses have hired security from security agencies to guard their homes. Another cool house over there. I don't know if this street has an outlet right ahead. Then it means if it has one, sorry, I have to go. I don't think so. I don't think it has. So yeah, let me just check what's at the front here. I wanted to see this street here. Eesh, there's a really cool house at the front, but you guys cannot see it from here, of course. Yeah. Mhm. Do you guys see those very cool houses over there? Mm. 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 So guys, that should be enough. I've been walking for a long while and I realized that Elgon View estate is a very large estate. It covers a very big parcel of land, unlike Milimani. For Milimani, I walked through the estate and I explored 98% of the estate, but here I think I've done 60%. Elgon View is so large because it's even divided into two parts. We have lower Elgon View and upper Elgon View, so clearly you guys know that I cannot exhaust all of that in this one video, but whatever I've shown you, these places look similar. So what you've seen on this video, the whole area pretty much looks like it. We have very many moneyed people living here, and also people who work, prominent people in the government. Some of them live in this estate. So this is the richest neighborhood in Eldoret city. I'll end this video here, guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.